Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Kraken two-factor authentication and login protections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin updating your two-factor authentication on Kraken, first, log into your Kraken account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by selecting your profile icon in the upper right corner. In the settings menu, find the security tab and click on it. Scroll down to the section labeled two-factor authentication. If you currently have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll see options related to it. To update your settings, you may need to disable the existing two-factor authentication first. Click on the Disable button next to your current two-factor authentication method. You will be prompted to enter a confirmation code sent to your registered email address. Check your email for the confirmation code and input it in the required field on the Kraken website. Upon verification, your two-factor authentication will be disabled. Next, you will have the option to set up a new two-factor authentication method. Choose the method you prefer, either using a mobile app like Google Authenticator or an SMS text message. If you opt for a mobile app, download it from your App Store if you haven't already. Open the app and select the option to add a new account, then scan the QR code displayed on the Kraken website. Once the QR code is scanned, the app will generate a unique code. Enter this unique code back into the Kraken security settings to verify your new authentication method. If you choose SMS for two-factor authentication, enter your phone number and click Send Code. Retrieve the SMS code sent to your phone and enter it on the Kraken website. You should now see a confirmation that your two-factor authentication has been successfully updated. For added security, review and update any additional login protections available, such as enabling account lock after multiple failed login attempts. Consider enabling the withdrawal whitelist feature to specify which addresses can receive funds, adding another layer of protection. After making any desired changes to your login protections, ensure to save your settings. Finally, log out and log back in to verify that your new two-factor authentication and login protections are functioning correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.